Well, hope you got outside to enjoy some of the great weather once again today, because as you go into your Sunday, things really changing here. Rain back in the forecast, scattered to even widespread, and early next week some flooding potential with some potential tropical weather. So let's talk about that here. You can see a 90% chance now of tropical formation here in the Gulf of Mexico, and it is very likely at this point we could be dealing with a tropical storm here within the next 2 days. The thinking is that we have this area of low pressure in the Gulf of Mexico, and even tomorrow, showers and storms here as you go throughout your Sunday. That low is going to track to the north, and by the beginning of next week, heavy rain along the Texas coast and even into coastal Louisiana. That continues Tuesday and into Wednesday, and then it exits the region as you head towards the end of the week here. But let's actually talk about what you can expect here as you go throughout the next few days. We do have thunderstorms in the afternoon hours for tomorrow, and that's going to be widespread. So you'll see right around 11 o'clock here, storms starting to form by the coast, temperatures in the lower 80s, and as you head into the afternoon here, becoming widespread across the viewing area. We can't rule out some flash flooding concerns, especially if we get a couple of these storms to go over the same portions of Acadiana here as you go throughout your afternoon and evening. Temperatures kept in the middle to upper 80s tomorrow because of all that rain and the cloud cover. As you head into the evening and overnight, isolated showers and storms still possible, and I don't really think that we see really a good break from the rain here as we head into the overnight. So take a look at the afternoon forecast for tomorrow. Showers and storms very likely here. If you have any outdoor plans, I know it's the beginning of the football season. A lot of people may be doing some tailgating or barbecuing outside. Maybe bring it inside for tomorrow with all those rain chances around, temperatures staying in the 80s. Now, looking a little bit more at the big picture here, you can see those showers and storms tomorrow, that southerly flow coming in off the Gulf of Mexico, which is why we have so much moisture in place. And then that low starts to move up the Texas coast as you go towards the beginning of next week. Now, there is the chance maybe this develops into a tropical storm or even a low-end hurricane, but I think right now the biggest impact for the Gulf Coast, regardless of those winds, it's going to be the heavy rain and the flooding threat. You can see that swirl, the low pressure right here on Tuesday morning. Very heavy rain moving up the coast from Houston really to Acadiana. And the question is, where do we end up seeing that axis of heaviest rainfall? Could be out towards the west, towards Houston, or right over Acadiana. And that's really a question I think that we'll start to solve as we go Monday and into early portions of Tuesday here. The good news is eventually this does move out, and by the end of the week, we start to see some sunshine returning. Now, as for those rainfall totals and why we are a little bit concerned right now, anywhere I think from 3 to 7 or more inches of rain possible here across Acadiana. If you're towards the west of I-49, so over towards Jeff Davis Parish, 5 to 7, even close to 10 inches of rain, especially as we get down towards the coast, out towards the east. 3 to 6 inches of rain looking possible right now. Of course, this will likely change as you go throughout the next few days. So take a look at the 7-day forecast. We do have that chance of rain in the forecast for tomorrow, 88 degrees with scattered showers and storms. And then Monday through Wednesday here, keeping a very close eye on the Gulf of Mexico and that heavy rain potential as you go, especially into Tuesday and Wednesday here. Temperatures are kept in the middle 80s. After that, we do start to dry things out, and eventually sunshine returns into the forecast as we head towards the weekend.